It's Glossy's last stand. Do they go out with a bang or a whisper? Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe Bandit aren't with me right now. They are kicking about but doing other things. But if you're new, thank you so much for stopping by. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So this is the final Glossy Box. I had canceled. I did have a 1-year commitment but paid monthly, so I don't know where I was at with that. But I did get this. This is their final box. They're no longer sending boxes to the US. So I don't know if they're still sending boxes to the UK or not, because they are a UK-based company along with Look Fantastic. I don't know if Look Fantastic is still shipping to the US either. So this is the last box that anybody is getting in the US at this time. And they haven't been great lately, so that's why I canceled. But I will miss their advent calendars. So they did go out with a nice box. It says Summer Beauty inside. On the outside it says Fresh Breeze, so it's a pretty box. And here is a look inside. Now, I'm already seeing repeat items. So I think that they just took stuff that they had left and repackaged it. Because even just 2 months ago, but also in last year's Black Friday box, I believe, is this Cushy Naturals Vanilla Shower Gel. So I've received this 3 times from Glossy. I'm pretty sure this is just a leftover item. It is a full size and it does smell nice. Truth be told, I think I've given it away each time just because I don't need any more shower gels than I already have. But I did sniff it. It does smell nice. It has chamomile in it. By Boire is the Walk in the Sun. This is their moisturizing hair mask, and this is just a sample size. I have received this at least one other time, but I also believe I have the full size of this. I do like it. This is a very nice product. I'm not going to open this up. I'm probably going to set this aside, either for my daughter to bring to camp, because it's a great size for that, or to send out in a giveaway. By NCLA is this nail polish, which I've also received before. This is in the shade 75 is Freezing in LA. Now it's a beautiful shade, but it's not a great shade for me because it comes out almost skin tone. So this definitely would look nicer on a darker skin tone. By Verso is the number 3 Nourishing Cream. I've also received this before from Glossy, and I believe I got it in an advent calendar. This is a very expensive brand. This is a deluxe sample. It's got niacinamide in it. By Lottie London is this lip gloss. It's in their Oil Slick. So I guess it's a lip oil, and it might be lightly tinted. This is a pretty inexpensive brand. So to get a sample in that is kind of disappointing. Like, probably the full size is like $5 or $8 or maybe even less. So, and the last thing in here is by La Mini Macaroon, and it's a nourishing foot mask in lavender. And again, I have received this, I think, both in the box and in an advent calendar. I think it was in the advent calendar. So I think overall, while the products are nice, they are, I think, leftover products. So I don't even know if everybody got the same thing. I don't know if they just kind of scrounged around whatever they had, they threw in a box. I'm not really sure. There is a scan me, so I assume there's probably a lot of similar things, but I think these are just products that they had enough of to send out to whoever was still remaining, which is kind of disappointing because I would have liked for them to go out with a big bang, like some really great products in here. But that's what it is. Here's where we're at. Last box and kind of a dud. But that speaks to why myself and probably quite a few other people, from what I've been hearing, did go ahead and cancel this, as well as problems with customer service. So it is too bad, because when I first started getting it, they had just some of the neatest stuff in there. Like, they had Glow Recipe, and I'm a sucker for Glow Recipe. Whatever it is, I'm like, yes. So, you know, like, they had like kind of fun stuff in here. We've gotten palettes in here, all kinds of great stuff. Their advent calendar I've always been happy with, so it's a shame that they went out on such kind of a quiet note, kind of just a disappearing into the sunset kind of note. But hopefully they're going to regroup and maybe do something a little bit better for their UK subscribers, because you know, I know that a lot of stuff we get over here they can't get over there, so I'm happy for them to at least be able to continue with this, hopefully, and hopefully get some nicer products. All right, well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.